Now I'm going to show you how to make this Seminole border, and I should perhaps correct myself there and say it's a Seminole inspired border. So Seminole, for those of you that don't know about Seminole patchwork, is patchwork that's been inspired by the tribe of Seminole Indians of North America. What we're aiming at doing is making 6 of these units here, and you can see that that is one of those units down there, and I've got 6 of them across the bottom, and each of these units is made up of 6 different slices. If you find that your band doesn't fit precisely, it matters not a jot, because you can just cheat